Let's verify if any other worksite activities might disrupt the smart glass or film installation. We're gonna spray paint today here. Hope is that okay with you guys?
We're gonna test sprinklers at some point tonight. I'm sure you don't afraid to get a bit wet, eh? We just need to cut some panels. You guys carry on with your stuff, we cool. Zach, zap it again. Oh, hi, power a bit finicky, but you guys should be fine, nothing major. We'll be done sanding shortly. Is that all right with everyone? We're gonna paint a small wall in the room next to you, but it's behind a closed door. Is that okay with you all? Oh, hi. Guys, the glaziers are here. Are we done? Give us 10 minutes. Everything's already clean.